Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video for Python. In this video we're going to be making a simple uh, calculator program. So as you can see, at first we declared the variable and we assigned it to this input, and it says please enter a valid operator, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So we need to store numbers as well. So num1 equals 2 and num2 equals 2. So we kind of have to do the same thing here, which is ask for an input here and here. And for the input, we need to say please enter enter the first number. And for the second one, we say please enter the second number. And let's put a semicolon, or a colon, sorry. And okay, if we run this, let's just make sure. Hold on. Current file, run. Please enter a valid operator. It just doesn't do anything, but it stores it in this. Okay, great. So moving on. Okay, first we need to declare this as an we need to declare this right here as a float, because we're going to be using division and multiplication, and we don't know, if there's going to be decimal values or not. So we need to typecast it by surrounding it with the float. And same for this one, so float, and this is how you typecast in Python. Okay, moving on. So if the operator equals to, let's say we start with plus, okay, then we want to say result equals to num1 plus num2. Great. And then we want to print the result, so print result. Okay, so I accidentally put a semicolon instead of a colon. It's my bad, but that's just now it works. So if we print it, we say plus, okay, please enter your first number. So that's 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's great. That's perfect. Okay, moving on. So we're going to say if, or elif, sorry, the operator is a minus sign, then we want to do result equals num1 minus num2, and then we want to print the result. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, I forgot to add the equal sign, sorry. Okay, so minus, and let's say 3 minus 2, that's 1. Okay, perfect. Everything is working as expected. Okay, so elif operator equal, and we're gonna say multiplication. Then we want to make the result be num1 times num2, and then we want to, of course, print the result. Okay, let's try it again. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, perfect. Okay, last but not least, we say elif operator equal, and that's division. Then we want to make num1 divided by num2, and we want to set that equal to the result, and then we want to print the result. Oops, okay. So let's say division, 6 divided by 2 should be 3. Okay, perfect. Okay, and of course we need an else statement, because what if the user doesn't input any of these. We need to find a way to catch that error, which is instead of just keep going. So else print this is an invalid operator. Please try again. So if we input something stupid like this, invalid operator, please try again. Okay, great. Now we need to make some quick changes here and there just to make it a little cleaner and better and work better. So for example, let's say right here, if we say for division, okay, first let me just make a space right here. That should make it better. So division, let's say the first number is 5, second number is 2, that's 2.5, so that's great. But if we say some random number like this, oh wait, no, sorry, division, and then some random number like that, and then we divide it by, let's say 7, I hope is good. Okay, cool. Okay, as you can see right here, there's a lot of decimal places. So if we want to round it, we can make a good little change right here for this, for the division, which is print the rounded function. We add the round function to the result. And as you can see, it's rounded. But what if we want the, because this rounds it to the nearest integer. So what if we want to round it to the nearest, 3 decimal places? Okay, so you do the same thing, except here you add a 3. So if you do the same thing again, 7, as you can see, you get 3 decimal places and the rest are excluded. And, just for clean purposes, we can just replace all of this with it, just in case you have some kind of when you're multiplying, you have some kind of decimals or something, you can also round that as well. So another change we can make is the printf. So with printf, you can say printf, and then here you would specify that the operator is an invalid operator. Okay, so here W is an invalid operator. Instead of saying this is an invalid operator, it tells you exactly what you wrote and it tells you that it's invalid, which makes it a lot better. Okay, and that's pretty much basically it. We have a simple calculator program with one variable for the operator, one variable for the first number, one for the second number, and then you can add, subtract, multiply, or divide, and you have an error handling line, kind of, you could say. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one.